I'm going to show how to buy shares of TTM Technologies Inc. TTM Technologies is a printed circuit board and electronics manufacturer listed on NASDAQ under the ticker TTMI. And this video is educational only, not financial advice. To place a trade, you need a broker, and I'll use eToro as an example to demonstrate the steps. After registering, you must verify your account with an identity document and add funds before you can buy. Use the platform search box and type in the ticker TTMI to locate TTM Technologies, then select the listing that shows NASDAQ and the TTMI ticker. On the asset page, you will find basic company information and a price chart to review. Double-check the NASDAQ listing and ticker TTMI to confirm it is the correct stock. Click Invest, enter the amount you want to allocate, review the order details, and confirm the trade. If the market is closed, your order will be queued until trading reopens. If you do not have sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before the purchase completes. After the trade, your position will appear in your portfolio so you can monitor it. A link to eToro is in the description if you want to explore the platform further.